Has the sugar levels in the cake you have baked gone down? Are you worrying what to do with this baked cake? Then I have two solutions for you here. One is directly reusing it, and the second one is repairing it. First method, reusing it. In this method, using your hands, crush the cake and make small crumbs out of it. Keep it aside. Now, in a small bowl, for each scoop of ice cream you add into it, add about a handful of crushed cake crumbs into it. Mix it well and serve. With each serving, you are enjoying the rich flavor and taste and the texture of the cake crumbs, as well as the sweetened taste of the ice cream. Solution number 2, repairing it. Using a knife, make 4 or 5 layers of the cake which you have prepared, and take each layer, and make small holes using a straw very deep till it reaches the end. Now make sure that each layer you're serving has 4 to 5 holes. Now buy the Hershey's sweetened chocolate syrup from the shop. These containers normally have a sharp spout or a nozzle. Now I'm telling you this because using this nozzle you can directly fill the chocolate syrup into the holes in which you have prepared on the surface of the cake. Now fill the Hershey's sweetened chocolate syrup into the holes which you have made. Now on the top, just brush it with the icing sugar or a creamy icing layer, sugar icing layer on top of it. Now with each bite of the cake you are taking, you will get the rich taste and flavor of the chocolate sugary syrup, as well as the sugar icing which is brushed on the top.